Good day everyone, I'm Rosemary A. Domrique. So today I will demonstrate on how to disassemble and assemble a system unit and explain the different parts of it and their functions. First step, remove all your jewelries like bracelet, necklace, rings, and earrings and use gloves to avoid electric shock. The first thing you need to do is to disconnect all the wires connected to the power supply so you can remove it. Power supply is a part of a computer that provides electricity to all its components. The power supply converts the electricity from the wall outlet into the correct type and amount of power needed by the computer. A SATA cable is a cable used to connect storage devices to the computer's motherboard. The SATA cable allows the computer to read and write data to these storage devices quickly and reliably. Front panel connectors are small pins on the motherboard that connect to the buttons and lights on the front of the computer case. These connectors let the user turn the computer on or off, reset it, and see indicator lights that show if the computer is running or accessing the hard drive. A heatsink is a computer component that helps remove heat from parts like the CPU or GPU. It absorbs and spreads heat away from the processor, allowing it to cool down. This prevents overheating and helps the computer run safely and efficiently, usually working together with a cooling fan. Random access memory is a part of the computer that temporarily stores data and programs that are currently being used. Random access memory allows the computer to work faster by giving quick access to data needed by the processor. It stores open applications and active tasks, but it clears its data when the computer is turned off. The central processing unit is the main part of the computer that performs most of the processing. It executes instructions, performs calculations, and controls the operations of other computer components. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer. CMOS is a simple memory chip on the motherboard that stores important system settings. CMOS saves the BIOS or UEFI settings such as date and time, boot order, and hardware configuration. And lastly, the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer where all components are connected. It allows the CPU, RAM, storage devices, power supply, and other hardware to communicate with each other. The motherboard distributes power and data, making sure all parts work together properly.